Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is week 2 of the weekly check-in and I am so glad that y'all have decided to come over to my channel and watch this video. I hope y'all are doing awesome and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification because I do weekly check-ins every Thursday at 5 p.m. so I hope you will not miss it. But anyway, so this week was a pretty good week. It was a better week also. But we're just going to jump right into it. So the dates that we are going to be going over is the 6th through the 12th. So as always, we're going to do our no spins first and I need to focus this. So our no spins are from Temperance XOXO Designs. A lot of these is what I use. I use Temperance XOXO Designs. She's amazing. She's one of my friends on here. She's great. Go check her out. All of her stuff is usually down below. So we have a no spin on the 6th, the 7th, the 10th, and the 12th. So we have 4 no spins again. Now I am going to lighten it up just a little bit. I don't know, it's been a little dark in my room, even with the overheads and with my panels that I use for lighting. But anyway, so let's get on with the 8th. So on the 8th, we have our usual gas and everything, and I did not get to pre-write these, so we're just going to write this live right now as I'm doing it. So we spent $15 on gas. So I shouldn't need anything until this coming up week. All right, and then we went grocery shopping, and as you know, my grocery is on my debit card, but I still mark down how much I use for my groceries. So we went to Walmart and Sam's, but I'm just going to write Walmart down. We spent $42. Now I'm just going to zoom y'all in just a little bit also. That's what's crooked. Great. I love that for us. And then next was our fun money, and we went to Target and I bought just a couple of things. It was just a couple of like Ibotta stuff. So I spent $5 off of that. And that is it. So the 6th was a no spin, the 7th was a no spin, and then the 8th was gas for $15, Walmart was $47, and then Target was $5. Moving on to the 9th, we was also at Target, and I used my sinking funds, I used my Christmas fund, and I bought a gift for one of my nephews for Christmas. So Target, we spent $20. Now let's see if I can get that off. All right, so $20 for Target, and that is it. So on the 9th, we did Target for $20. The 10th was a no spin, and then on the 11th, we used our cushion, which was Amazon. So Amazon was $10, and I have been doing giveaways off of my channel. So that was stuff that was sent for that. And then I was at the cafe for work, and that place is horrible. I mean, it's good, but it's horrible. Like, I like snacky foods. Like, I have been snacking so much this week, but I spent $10 in the cafeteria. $10, you guys. It's crazy. All right, and that is it. So the 9th is $20. No spin on the 10th. Amazon was $10 on the 11th, and also we spent $10 in the cafeteria. And then on the 12th was a no spin. So we're just going to flip over here, and we are going to do our weekly check-in on this part. So groceries, we spent $42. Gas, we spent $15. So we should have $45 left, but we will check it. Fun money, we spent $15. And then cushion, we spent $10. Sinking funds, we spent $20. All right, so we can go ahead and just do our cushion real quick. So we had 120 minus 10. So that is $110 remaining. And then $1,114 minus 20 will equals to $1,094. And then groceries, 100 minus 42 equals to $58. And then we just have to count gas and fun money. All right, so let's see. Gas, we have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. So $45 is how much we have left. And then fun money, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So $25 for that. All right, you guys, so there you have it. Let me just write 25. There you have it, folks. Short, sweet, and to the point. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know whatever you want me to know. Do I need to improve this video more? Do I need to, cut back on some more no spendings? That can be a challenge for me, but I am willing to try. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. And be sure to vote on the subscriber Saturday. On this Saturday, do you want to see everything that I use to budget and make my videos? Or do you want me to count my coins? Because I have a debt coin and I have a honeymoon piggy bank. So let me know down below and I will tally all that up. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye, you guys.